What are you hearing from investors? Because sales were a little bit light. I guess you maybe had conditioned them to expect guidance raises, and you just reaffirmed. What are you hearing?
Yeah, we're pretty much hearing the same thing. It's the first time that we haven't raised guidance in a couple of years, but given the uncertainty in the economy and what's going on, we just didn't think this early in the year it was a good reason to do that. The one area that we did increase guidance was on our free cash flow. We had very strong free cash flow in the first quarter and would expect the year to finish stronger on a cash flow basis. But overall, we're connecting with the customer, we're making progress, and we're especially making progress with the upscale customer and a mainstream customer, which really is good for the business long term as well.
What about the low-income consumer? You've been warning about this for a few quarters now, the increased use of coupons, trade downs. What are you seeing on that front?
We're seeing the same. We're still continuing to see the same thing. If you look at SNAP, the emergency SNAP dollars ended in pretty much, well, all the markets. If you look at SNAP, it's down about 30% overall for the U.S. That customer is really under a lot of strain. What we're finding is that customer wants an entry price point item. We're doing all kinds of things to help them stretch their budget and not have to compromise from a fresh and quality and experience standpoint. But a few months ago, we introduced our own brand called Smartway, and that's an example of an entry price point item. We are also seeing that customer engaging more on download of coupons and other promotions as well. So they're doing everything they can to help stretch their budget, which we're trying to support.
Is it getting worse, and are you seeing a broadening out of the sort of consumer pain? We're just trying to figure out, Rodney, what is going on with the consumer?
Yeah, it's a great question. And what we're finding is the mainstream and upscale customer continues to behave as they've been behaving. If you look at our private selection, our upscale products, wine, engaging in Starbucks, things like that, that customer is continuing to behave exactly the way before. We are seeing good growth in that customer segments, primarily from specialty retailers, so they're coming to us. But if you look at the customer that's on a budget, definitely more constrained because of the continued pressure from inflation, continued pressure, from all around standpoint and the SNAP that I already mentioned. So it's really pretty variant across the customer segments.
What is happening with food inflation? Is it moderating, and if so, by how much?
Yeah, it is moderating, and we would expect by the end of the year that it would be, 1 to 3%, something like that. And as you know, we've talked several times, we've always expected inflation to moderate as you go through the year. Part of that is because of cycling such high inflation from a year ago. Part of it is, if you look at the supply chain challenges and some of those things, it's starting to get back to normal. If you look at eggs, that was on the front page of the newspaper 6 months ago, significant reduction in egg costs, things like that. So you're beginning to see the moderation that we've expected for the last 6 or 9 months, but it is coming to fruition. And we are starting to see tonnage pickups as costs go moderate as well.
Yeah, so we saw the supply chain costs moderate. You seem further to go there on that front, and how helpful is that for profitability, and especially against a rising wage kind of environment?
Yeah, our supply chain team has done just a great job of really taking on more of the responsibility for the supply chain from the CPGs to our stores. Also a lot of process change and using technology and data. So we see that as a long-term trend that our team will be able to continue to take advantage of. And the other thing that to me is super exciting about it is as they reduce the number of days in our supply chain for fresh products, it improves the freshness for our customers, so they will have more days of freshness at home. So it's one of those things where it actually helps the customer, it simplifies the supply chain, and it saves money too. And we would expect to continue to see that through the balance of the year and even further than that.